Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the children outside of my room. Oh my god. I'm sorry I've been gone a long time, but I'm going to be doing some makeup today. I'm going to be doing I'm cold girl makeup today. So let's just get into it. Why waste time? Also, this is kind of crazy, but I'm sick. I'm literally cold. I literally have a cold. I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's just so sticky. Can I just smooth down my hair? It's actually kind of working. I'm gonna be putting on this NYX Bear With Me Blur Foundation. Honestly, don't even know if the shade still matches me, but we'll see. And just going in the places that I am contouring in. Yeah. I'm taking e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Why are these names so long? I swear. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I love you, e.l.f., but jeez. And it's kind of the way in there. Glow Booster for radiant skin. Take that and pop it in the areas that matter. You know, it's just so funny how my voice sounds right now. I find it hilarious. Look at that glow. Oh my god. Oh, that glow is so gorgeous. This is gorgeous. 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 I'm going to take Made by Mitchell Blursh in the shade Posy Rosey and just put that on my cheek. Trust me, this is not gonna be the end of blush. So probably gonna put it like even like under the outer corners of my eyes too. Like basically just this whole area right here. I want it to look like we've been standing out in the cold for like hours and just like, oh, I'm so cold. And then blend that out. This is probably just the first layer of blush I'm gonna be doing though. Cause it's like, I didn't blend this out. Like where did it go? Where did it go? So something's wrong with me. I don't know why. I'm going to blend out my under eyes a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. I just dropped so much powder. It's all over me. It's all over my hand. Oh no, this is not good. Getting it off my finger. Just like, yep, get the powder off my finger. Set under my eyes and on my chin. I'm going in the areas that I really want like pushed in there with the sponge. The places that I care the most about. For the rest of my face, I'm just going to go in with the powder everywhere. NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen Tint stuff. And I like to do my eyebrows rather light. So I'm just doing some like hair strokes. Just brush through it. And that's my eyebrow. Not too heavy. It's like basically almost a shade darker than the eyebrows I have going on here or something. And that's my eyebrows done. I'm going to put a little Louise base in the shade 4 on my eyelids. And now I'm blending it out with a sponge. I'm going in with Garden of Juvia's. I'm taking a fluffy brush and going in with Peony, which is the pink shade in this palette, and going across my whole lid. And now I'm taking the Morphe X Pony palette and I'm going in with Bummy, which is like a dark brown. And I'm taking that brown and going under my eye a little bit. And I'm going to take that same brown shade and go and draw an acupuncture right here. You go like this, right there. I'm gonna use this brown highlighter I'm gonna use this NYX Epic Ink Liner in brown just to do my eyeliner. Eyeliner is so precise. The Epic Ink Liner. Now I'm going to take Glam Vice's Retro Liner in Moonwalk, which I don't know if I want to keep it this shade. I don't know if I want to keep it this shade because it's like a white silvery color, so I don't know, I might change it later. But that's what it is right now. When I tell you, I literally just spent the longest time trying to draw eyelashes. Very new to me. What the heck? Where did that come from? Gosh dang it. Because honestly, this blush isn't intense enough for me. I'm gonna get some more. And I'm grabbing a shade Lena and just going over the apples on my cheeks. I'm really concentrating on those areas that would like get really red. My whole cheek gets really red when I'm either really hot or really cold, so really concentrating like right here. And then on my nose, which I'm gonna grab a smaller brush just to really concentrate it. Because I really want to make sure this is concentrated. I'm gonna take Yara, which is like kind of browny, and almost add it to my contour areas just to give myself a little warmth and blend in the blush just so that it makes sense on my skin. I'm still gonna put a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with all the things that are pretty and glow. I'm going back into that pony palette and I'm grabbing Breathe, which is like a shimmery silver. Adding it on my lid, dispersing it a bit. This shade is just literally like so beautiful. I'm going to take that same shimmer and go in my inner corner. My nose bridge, the tip of my nose. I'm going to be going over the aguial area. And now that's under there. I just thought about it. I forgot to do the chin. Now I always kind of find the chin a little weird sometimes, but I'm I'm cold. I'm cold but cute. So now go ahead and do the mascara. So I went ahead and put my lashes and mascara on. My lashes are from Amazon. Chef's Kiss. I love them so much. They're like my #1 lash. Like all year. Basically all year. They're gonna be on my Amazon storefront, so you can go check that out. I think it felt like anime or, you know, I forgot what people are calling it. Monha? I completely forgot about this glitter. This is a perfect opportunity to use this glitter. I got this glitter from Temu. It's so freaking pretty. Like, look at that. Just dabbing it on. Look at that sparkle. Just place it everywhere. Just must have sparkle everywhere. Pretty. I got this little sparkly thing from Temu. I don't know if I'll be able to find a link, but if I do, that'll be in my link tree. So you could go click on that if it's up there. If it's not, it is like a glitter gel. So I got off Temu. So I'm kind of really struggling for what lip combo I want to do with this, but I'm thinking about going in with the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Going Right. Now, if I had the right shade of this would be perfect. Right now it's very orangey. I love this lip tint. It's so good. It's so good. It just feels so powdery. Not powdery, but like, you know, that velvet smooth finish. It's not dry. But it's not glossy or like sticky. And it just like blends out so well without me even doing anything. I love you. I put on this peripera pink velvet. Honestly, can't remember when I got this. I don't think it's real though. I don't like it. So I wiped that lipstick off, and then I went ahead and put on this gloss by NYX, this Milky gloss in Mango Lassi. That was a lip stain or lip tint, so it did leave like a pinkish color. So I just put this orangey gloss on top of my lips just to get like a little peachy vibe. I still don't feel like I have enough blush on my face. I feel like this look is pretty much done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some setting spray and I'll be back. I'm using the Prep and Prime Max Fix Plus to set my face. Well, it's the only spray I have. Just to make me look less powdery. So I actually ended up managing not to forget to film the end of this video. This is the final look. I love you guys so much. Please don't hesitate to tell me what you guys want to see more from me, because it's hard out here for a player, okay? I love you guys so much. You have a happy holidays.